National animals from different countries: Greece, dolphin; Singapore, lion; Netherlands, lion; Australia, kangaroo; Japan, mosquito monkey; Italy, Italian wolf; Spain, bull; India, Royal Bengal tiger; Cambodia, kapre; Indonesia, Komodo dragon; Norway, moose; Nepal, cow; Saudi Arabia, camel; Bangladesh, Royal Bengal tiger; Romania, Eurasian lynx; Ethiopia, lion; Germany, eagle; New Zealand, kiwi; Pakistan, markhor; Finland, brown bear; Finland, brown bear; Turkey, grey wolf; Thailand, elephant; Morocco, Barbary lion; China, giant panda; France, European rabbit; South Africa, springbok; Sri Lanka, elephant; Brazil, jaguar; Poland, European bison; Malaysia, Malayan tiger; United Kingdom, lion; South Korea, Siberian tiger; Philippines, carabao; Canada, beaver; Sweden, Eurasian elk; USA, American bison; Vietnam, water buffalo; Egypt, steppe eagle; Mexico, majestic golden eagle; UAE, Arabian ox; Nigeria, black crowned crane; Russia, Eurasian brown bear; Algeria, fennec fox. If you watching for this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.